rotate to stream and landscape. No, stream and port.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another workout. I am so excited to be doing this workout with you guys because I've been needing it myself as well. So it's another no weights, no equipment required. It's all body weight. We're doing 3 rounds of this. So you shouldn't take more than 15 minutes to do these, guys. So it should be quick. Our workout is going to be 12 push-ups. 12 squats, 10 push-ups, 12 squats, 10 V-ups, 12 squats, and then 10 push-ups again. So if you are doing these exercises with a partner and it's a male, remember guys, do it regular. If you're a female who is not able to pick up your own body weight and do a regular push-up, let me demonstrate real quick what a female push-up looks like. So make sure your knees are down. Do not bring your feet up. They'll be down. And then you'll be going down and up this way. Do not lay flat though. So knees, your quads should not be touching the grass or whatever area you're working. So it should be up like this. The only thing down, so pick up your knees, drop your knees. That should be where you should be at. And you're just gonna come down and up, down and up. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, the first one we have is 12 squats, so let's get started. Here we go. Push-ups. Here we go, back to 12 squats. Now we're gonna do V-ups. Here we go. Back to 12 squats. breaks, you did a good cardio, you did squats, you did push-ups, you did V-ups. You pretty much did a whole body exercise with absolutely no weight and no equipment, just using your own body weight. If you want to challenge yourself, do 5 rounds. It doesn't hurt. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I'll have plenty more. And thank you guys for being a patron, not a Patreon, a patron. Thank you guys.